Today I'm going to review for you guys the CATCHFACE Smart Fingerprint Lock, and this lock features the TT Lock app. You can unlock with fingerprint, you can unlock with a code, you can unlock with a manual key, and you can also unlock with your IC cards. You can also use this with Amazon Alexa and Google Home. So let's open up the box and see what all we have inside, go through the installation and show you guys all the features of this smart lock. Inside the box, we have our user manual, and we also have a guide if you don't have pre-existing holes in your door. You also have a quick start guide here that gives you step-by-step process. And here inside the box, let's open it to see what we have here. And here we have the buckle box and the lock plate. And here we have the single nose lock body. They give you 5 IC cards that you can attach to your lock, and we also have the manual keys. And here we have our 2 lock handles, one for the inside, other one for the outside of your door. Here are all the tools such as screws that you need to install the lock to your door. And this piece over here is what is going to turn our lock from inside and outside. So now that we have everything out of the box, let's go ahead and install this lock. First, you want to go ahead and replace the old plate with the new one that you received. And then you can also install the buckle box. And then we want to install the lock body into our door and use the screw to tighten up the lock body. Now to install the batteries, you want to go ahead and use the Allen key to get that top part removed. And you need 4 AAA batteries. Now we want to go ahead and slide the wire through this part over here that's going to turn our lock so you can unlock your door. And then this is going to come from the outside, and then we are going to hook it up to the inside doorknob. After you slide that through our lock body, then we want to install the interior door handle using the screws. Once you are done hooking up the wire that's coming from the outdoor door handle, the lock should turn on. Then we want to use the screws to hold it in place, and then we want to put on the mounting plate on top to cover up the batteries. And now you can see that we have our lock turned on and all the lights are illuminated. You guys need to go ahead and download the TT Lock app. I already have this app and I have an account because I have an existing door lock. So I'm going to open up the app and set up this lock. So here you can see that we are adding a new lock, and we are going to click on door lock, and it says to press a button on the door lock so that it can find that lock on the app. And you can see that it identified our lock right away. So we want to click the plus sign. And it beeped, and which means that it should be connecting now. And you can see that it's connected, and now we can change the name. So here's the app interface. We have the TT Lock downloaded. We have the unlock button over here. We press, it's unlocked, and you can see that I can open the door, and it auto locks itself. And then we also have e-keys that we can set up. We also have a passcode, so you can generate a random passcode with the name and everything, like this. So over here we have 0 1 4 3 0 6 6 3. It unlocked. So the one-time generation is nice if you're trying to let somebody get into your house. They can easily come in. You can also set up a time. So if you have a Airbnb, you can set a start time or end time with a date, and you can set their specific name. You also have a one-time, custom, and you can also set up a recurring code that you can use to unlock the door. And we also have the cards here. If you have any card to unlock the door, we have fingerprint set up. So you can add fingerprints. You can add many different fingerprints. You can add a name. So I'll say lock. So we can do start, as you can see. So it's already set, good to go. So now if I want to unlock the door, I can unlock just like this. We also have a remote. So if you want to purchase and add a remote here, we have authorized admin, so you can have multiple admin who can control this app and this lock. We have also records, shows you who exactly opened it. And then we also have our settings where you can change the auto lock system, so how fast it will lock itself. So if you forget to lock your door, it will auto lock for you, so you don't have to worry about leaving your door unlocked. You can change your lock sounds, lock settings, you have your reset button, lock clock, or you can delete the device altogether. So this app is pretty cool. As you can see, we have 5 IC cards over here that you can use to unlock the door. And you can see that our key was not successfully added. You can see that right around number 4, we have the card sensor. So I want to bring up the card here and it unlocks the door and I can open it. Let's say for some reason your battery were to die, which I don't know who would let their battery die. In this case, we have the app, and the app shows you the battery percentage of the lock on the top right here. You also have the manual key. You're able to slide this in right over here and you're able to unlock the door. And if for some reason you also don't have the manual key, you can use this USB slot over here for temporary power so that you can unlock the door and change out the batteries. So if you're in the market looking for a smart lock, then look no further than the CATCHFACE smart fingerprint lock. You can now purchase this on Amazon for $103.69. They currently have a 15% off. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this review and liked all the features and functionalities. Thank you all for watching, and we will see you guys next time.